Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for always visiting my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about something that in fact every child needs. Every child, when I mean every child, every pupil, starting from the basic down to the senior secondary, at all levels. For you to succeed in answering most of the questions in mathematics, this topic is a key. Lowest common multiples. Your good understanding of this topic will help you to answer almost 60% or understand almost 60% of all the topics in mathematics. So that is why it's important from a very tender age. Parents, teach your children, explain to them, give them this video, let them watch it so that you will to benefit maximally from it. Lowest common multiple. We have two questions on the board here we'll be using to start up. It's going to be coming in series. Please watch out for the next videos that will be coming up after this, as we'll be explaining more on this topic. Now we have this question that says, find the LCM of the following. A, 9 and 6. B, 10, 12 and what? And 15. They are actually what? Very, very simple. Now before now, we've uploaded video where we explain what factors and multiples are. We explained that a factor is a number that can divide another number without what? A remainder. A number that can divide another number without what? A remainder is what? Is a factor. And remember, we also explained, please check our video, you will see these things. We also explain multiple. What are multiples? If multiple, for instance, you have 3 now. What are the multiples of 3? It simply means just be multiplying 3 starting from, the first multiple of 3 is 3 itself. So the next one is going to be what? Just start multiplying by what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. Like the first multiple of 3 will be what? 3 times 1, 3. The next one will be what? 3 times 2. The next one will be what? 3 times 3. The next one will be what? 3 times 4, just like that. We'll also explain things like that in some of the videos that we will also do uploaded before. So in this very topic, we'll be applying some of them, especially factor. We'll be using the knowledge of factor to answer questions, to find what the LCM of numbers like this. So please follow through as we'll be doing this now. So we have two questions now. First, as usual, you write solution. So looking at the first one now, so we should find the LCM of 9 and 6. So what do? You write 9, then 6 like this. We do this. It's very simple. Okay. Now there are so many logic we can use to get this, but it's good. Everybody should be able to understand the conventional way of doing this. It's very important. Now we look at 9 and 6. We start from the very least. Please don't jump. Now look at 2. Can 2 divide any of this number? That is the first question you ask. Can 2 divide any of this number? That means, is 2 a factor of any of this number? Now the question is, why are you starting with 2? Is it compulsory for me to start with 2? Yes, it's compulsory for us to ask ourselves that question first. That will help us not to make any mistake. So is 2 a factor of any of this number? Yes, 2 can divide 6 without a remainder. So we'll start with 2. 2 cannot divide 9, so we'll repeat the 9. 2 can divide 6 without a remainder. So how many 2 do I have in 6? Is 3. Now we ask again, can 2 divide any of this number? The answer is no. So what do you do now? We'll now move to the next number, which is 3. Can 3 divide any of this number? Yes. 3 can divide this and 3 can divide this. So we'll use 3 now. How many 3 do I have in 9? Is 3. How many 3 do I have in 1? Is what? How many 3 do I have in 3? Is 1. Good. What can go again? Can 3 divide them? Can 3 divide any of this number? Yes, 3 can divide this. So we'll use 3 again. How many 3 do I have in 3? 1. We'll repeat the 1. So that is it. So once you get 1, 1 like this, we stop. Can I say therefore our LCM now is equal to multiply everything we are having here. 2 times 3 times 3. That is equal to 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. 6 times 3 is what? Is 18. So the LCM of 9 and 6 is what? Is 18. The lowest common multiple, okay, is what? Is 18. That is it. Not difficult at all. Very simple. Now let's take the second question now. That is B now. B, we have 10, we have 12, we have 15. Again, we'll do this. Remember, we always start with what? With 2. Can 2 divide any of these numbers? Yes. 2 can divide this. 2 can also divide, but not this. So we use 2. How many 2 do I have in 10? Is what? Is 5. How many 2 do I have in 12? Is what? Is 6. How many 2 do I have in 15? We don't have that. 2 is not a factor of what? 15. So what do I do? We repeat it. We are looking out for their what? Common factors. So we'll go again. Can 2 divide any of these numbers here? Yes. 2 can go in this. Can 2 go in this without a remainder? No. So we'll repeat that. So can 2, how many 2 do I have in 6? Is what? Is 3. Can 2 go in this without a remainder? No. So we'll repeat 15. Can 2 go here? No. 2 cannot. 2 is not a factor of any of this number. Is 3 a factor of this number? Yes, 3 is a factor. So 3 can divide this without a remainder. Can 3 go in this without a remainder? No. So we'll repeat it. Can 3 go in this without a remainder? Yes. So this is how many 3 do I have in 3 is 1. Can 3 go in 15 without a remainder? Yes. How many 3 do I have in 15 is what? Is 5. Can 3 go again? No. So what do we do now? We jump to the next number, which is what? 5. Okay? The next prime number, which is what? 5. So can 5 go here? Yes. 5 can divide this without a remainder. How many 5 do I have in 5? 1. Repeat the 1. How many 5 do I have in 5? 1. So that is it. So now say, therefore, the LCM of 10, 12, and 15 is equals to what? Is equals to what? Is equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's go. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is what? Is 60. So that is it. So the LCM of 10, 12, and 15 is what? Is 60. That is it. Not difficult at all. Remember, always ask yourself that question. It's very important. Start from 2. Start from the list, okay? The lowest number, that is what? 2. They are all what? Prime number. When we are solving LCM, we usually use our prime number. Remember our prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that have only what? 2 factors, which are 1 and itself. So we usually start from the smallest one, which is what? 2. After 2, we try 3. After 3, we go to 5. After 5, 7. Just like that. So that is it. So it's not difficult at all. You agree with me? It's very simple, isn't it? If it's simple, you enjoy this, please don't forget to give us what? A thumbs up, okay? Click the like button and share this video with your friends and family. We appreciate it so much. And if you have not subscribed, please, subscription is free. Just click the subscription button. Once again, thank you so much for always visiting my channel. Bye-bye.